And here we have the 12th floor with unit 1204 that is not yet listed. Beautiful views to the Goodyear Blimp building and the Intercoastal are really wonderful. And when we come into the main area, beautifully vaulted ceiling, tastefully furnished. This condo was renovated within the last 4 years. The finishes that they did are really extraordinary. High-end appliances, really nice bar section. So it truly is an entertainer's delight. Beautifully done crown molding was done throughout the main room, and the furnishings really are top shelf. Just to the left of the kitchen we have the guest suite, which is a smaller master. Again, beautifully done tile work. Shower and matching granite, of course. Guest room, again, highly tasteful. Key West shutters, and then the new glass door in the guest room is just fantastic. The main dining area adjoins the bar area, and it really is just wonderful and open. Now, in Bermuda House, the kitchens used to be closed in with a small pass-through. This condo was completely gutted. New studs, new walls, new everything. And the reason is because of this, the view. The 4-stack in Bermuda House is one of the most sought after stacks in the building. We look east, southeast, directly to the new pier, the new restaurants, and everything they did, again, very, very tasteful, very elegant. Beautiful new furniture. Really an amazing space. Now, facing the ocean is the master suite. And they spared no expense in going with high-end furnishings, tasteful finishes, really lovely. And of course, the view from the master is direct east down to the beach. And the new walkway right along the beach. Because the master is so generously sized, you just have this wonderful feeling of space. There I am, hey. Very nice finishes in the master suite. And again, beautifully done to the ceiling tiled shower. Stone, and even behind the water closet you've got full tile to the ceiling. It's rare that I'm presented with a property that has been so well done and tastefully decorated and complete. And they will sell it complete. But the last thing is the brand new floor-to-ceiling slider windows that are 3 panels that open up the entire wall so that the outside is now inside. Just amazing. And this is one of the best units on Pompano Beach.